Amen. Siyabonga bathandekayo. Thank you for this time. Let's give them a hand, bathandekayo. Amen. Asibonge uNkulunkulu nanamuhla bazalwane ukuthi sesinalo lithuba lekutawumkhonda again le morning session. Mhlambe singathi kwanyalo bazalwane ake sichubeke ngale arrangement lebesivele sinayo sikholelwa ukuthi by next week mhlambe sitawukhona kusho ukuthi starting the 19th njengoba kukhona cekicekisa labadzala labakhuluma ngako asikholwa ke ukuthi ngede kwafana na last time bazalwane bese kuba khona lokushintshako but ke sikholelwa ukuthi next week sitawukhona ukuthi khone kusho bazalwane ukuthi sitawumisa kanjani i-leadership will be meeting kusasa mhlambe kubuka na onke compliance requirements la funakalako so we hope ukuthi by next week Sunday sizabe sesikhona kwati ukuthi sima kanjani bazalwane but ke sithatha ukuthi by the look of things cishe kusihambela kahle konkhana bazalwane because ngicabanga ukuthi the only change if it's a change nakwananayo ngokuthi we have to keep lo 2 meters apart umdali ke usibusisile ngelihola lelikhulu so sikholwa ukuthi bo 2 meters tawukhona kuba observer bazalwane and probably sikhone kuba na bigger numbers mhlambe ke nje masisho kuye ngekuthi ke labadzala kusasa uma bahlangana batawuvumelana ngekuthini so we might go back to lo 2 services lebe sibe naye because nje masisho satha ukuthi inombolo tethu will be able ukuthi si accommodate kule arrangement siyabonga ke bazalwane but ke nje masisho by next week Sunday sizabe sesinako ke lokusho so that by the 19th sonke sathi ukuthi sekusimela kanjani bathandekayo njengoba ngisho ke I think that is the only thing lenzaba yabo 2 meter because inzaba yema mask vele iyachubeka inzaba yekubhalisa iyachubeka inzaba keep that distance loyivele ikhona so siyawuvele sichubeke khona lapho ke bathandekayo. Okay, namhla ke ngicela sivuleni incwadzini ya Exodus sahluko sekuqala sifunze khona the first 12 verses. Exodus chapter 1 sifunza the first 12 verses. Sikhuluma ke under the topic let's see you are destined for multiplication and an increase no matter what you may face. You are destined for multiplication and increase no matter what you may face. Wadalelwa wamiselwa kwekuthi kube nenqhubekela phambili empilweni yakho nekwanza empilweni yakho noma ngase uhlangana nasiphi simo ngiloku lowamiselwa kona. Sitawufunza ke bathandekayo ngenzaba ibantwana baka-Israel lapho sitawubheka khona kukhuluma kwethu kwanamhla. Ngicela ke lo tawusifunzela Exodus 1 verse 1 up to verse number 12.
Exodus 1 verse 1 to 12. Nangake emabito emadvodzana aka-Israyeli laya eGibhithe ahamba neyise Jakobe. Nguleyo naleyo ndvodzana beyihamba nemndeni wakayo. Bekubo Rubeni na Simeoni na Levi na Juda na Isakhari na Zebuloni na Benjamini na Dani na Naftali na Gadi na Asheri. So wonke umndeni wakaJakobe wawubantu labangema-70 phela Josefa abesavele aseGibhithe. Ngekuhamba kwesikhathi koJosefa nabomnakabo nalo lonke lelo butho labo lafa laphela. Kodwa titukulwane tabo ema-Israyeli tatalana tanza taba nemandla kakhulu kangaka kube livi laseGibhithe lase ligcwele tona. Kwase kubekwa inkosi lentsha eGibhithe leyayingadi lutho ngaJosefa. Yaqaphelisa abantu bayo yathi, bukani la, lama-Israyeli asanza kakhulu lapha eveni lethu, kanti futhi anemandla kakhulu kunathi. Asayingodi kithi. Asesiwabuke ngalamanye emehlo sentelisu. Funa anze kakhulu ngobe nakungesuka impi angahle asite letitsa tethu bese ayabaleka kulelive. Ngakho ke emaGibhithe agcilata ema-Israyeli ngekuwa bekela tindvuna letatiwashayela njengetinkhabi tiwalupha ngekuwetfesa imithwalo lematima.
Okay, mhlaba ke siphinzela that portion nje ke mnguni. That verse.
Ngakho ke emaGibhithe agcilata ema-Israyeli ngekuwa bekela tindvuna letatiwashayela njengetinkhabi tiwahlupha ngekuwatfesa imithwalo lematima. Ema-Israyeli akhela bofaro iPhitomu na Ramseli lokwakuti ngumadolobha. Kodwa kuwahlupha nekuwacindzetela lama-Israyeli kwawenta anza kakhulu, anza nalo lonke live. emaGibhithe aqala kuwesaba ema-Israyeli.
Amen. Ngicela kulela kami kufunza verse 7 na verse 12. Verse 7 uthi, and the children of Israel were fruitful and increased abundantly and multiplied and waxed exceedingly mighty, and the land was filled with them. Verse 12. But the more they afflicted them, the more they multiplied and grew, and they were grieved because of the children of Israel. Amen. Bathandekayo, njengoba sifunzile la sifunza ngendzaba yebantwana baka-Israel uma baya eGibhithe siyabalelwa ke tinhloko tabo letaya eGibhithe. Emva kwaloko ke wase uyafa Josefa lekwakungiyena baye ngaye eGibhithe, wafa na Faro labe ayinkosi ngesikhathi saJosefa. Kuthiwa ke lapha kwase kuqhamuka le inkosi leyayingadi ngendzaba yaJosefa, base bacala ke kubahlupha bantwana baka-Israel. But ke lapha ngilandzelo ukuthi because njengoba sisho sihloko sethu sikhuluma ngekuthi you are destined for multiplication and increase no matter what you may face. Umiselwe ukuthi wanze noma ngabe uhlangana nani. So lapha ke leBhayibheli lithi abantwana bakaIsrael ngaloke ukuthi uNkulunkulu abebamisele ukuthi vele bayawuqhubeka bayawukwanza bayawubabanengi noma bahlangana naletinkinga labahlangana nato. And I like verse 12, Lord, see, the more they were afflicted, is the more they multiplied and grew. Ngalesikhathi bahlushwa kakhulu, ngalesikhathi banza kakhulu, ngalesikhathi baba banengi. Ligama lenkosi malibonga. Njengoba sisho bantwana bakaIsrael, indzaba yabo siyathi ukuthi icala nga-Abraham. uNkulunkulu umabitha Abraham kusahluko 12 kuGenesis. Umethembisa ukuthi uyawumenda abe ngibabe wetive letinengi, athi tive tonke temhlaba tiyawubusiswa ngaye Abraham. Ke uNkulunkulu wamniketa tethembiso Abraham. Lesethembiso uyawuba mnengi emhlabeni. Mhlawumbe masifunza sahluko sika 13 kule ncwadi ya Genesis. Genesis 13 verse 16. Uthi uNkulunkulu, I will also give you as many descendants as the dust of the earth. If anyone could count the dust of the earth, then he could also count your descendants. This is the blessing uNkulunkulu layiniketa Abraham. Noma sethembiso lasiniketa Abraham. Uthi situkulwane sakho ngiyawusenda sibe ngakeluthuli lwemhlaba. The dust of the earth. And uthi uma khona longakhona kubala le dust noma longabala loluthuli lwemhlaba angakhona ke nekubala bantwana bakho noma situkulwane sakho. So sikhanza ukuthi uNkulunkulu welizulu uNkulunkulu iBhayibheli lithi tethembiso takhe noma titinengi tonke tingiyebo tonke ting amen kube ludumo lwakhe uNkulunkulu. Wena nasethembiso ke kuAbraham uthi situkulwane sakho ngiyawusenda sibe ngeluthuli lwemhlaba. Can you imagine iluthuli lwemhlaba bathandekayo? And think of luthuli lwemhlaba lwemhlaba luthuli. Uma kathiwa ake sicabange ngeluthuli nje lwana indzawo, had it not been mhlamba ke sibeke nayilela ngendazi la kuneluthuli khona. Luthuli lolanga ngendazi, just this small portion of land. Lolu thuli olungesuka khona ungeke ukhona kulubala because lunengi. La uNkulunkulu uthi ke situkulwane sakho siyawuba ngakeluthuli lwemhlaba. In other words, lo situkulwane sakho siyawugcwala umhlaba wonke. Number 2. Siyaqhubeka naye Abraham kusahluko 15. Le Genesis. Kusahluko 15 verse 5. Bible lithi he took Abraham outside and said, now look up to the sky and count the stars. If you are able to count them. He also said to him, that's how many descendants you will have. Asamthathile wamkhombisa luthuli lwemhlaba. Bible siwase uyamkhipha uNkulunkulu ebusuku. Uthi ake ubuke etulu ubuke tinganyeti. Uke ubone ukuthi letinganyeti ungakhona yini ukutibala. Labo so science lesikhuluma ngabo namuhla, at least as far as I can recall, uyathi ke iscience yaqhubeka. Bekusethe lo wathi sithi ngaphi tinganyeti emhlabeni. Uma ngisemuva neslate ayibe incane bathandekayo, kepha ngegcina kwami kwakusede lo wathi uthi dingaphi tinganyeti emhlabeni. So uNkulunkulu ke uthi Abraham situkulwane sakho more than ke uthi siyawuba ngangesihlabathi noma ngeluthuli lwemhlaba siyawuphinze sibe ngangetinganyeti tasezulwini. Lokusho ukuthi ngeke tikhona kubaleka, ngeke tikhona ukuthi usibale situkulwane sakho. Siyawuba sinengi lesitukulwane sakho. That is the promise that Abraham was given by God. And uphila ngaso ke Abraham. So bantwana bakhe ke nasitukulwane sakhe la sekuchamuka umuntu lothi wezama kwekuthi asihlukubede asigcilade asicinzetele asiqedze but ke ukhanza lapha kwekuthi leBhayibheli lithi abakhonanga kusiqedza noma babe basihluphekisa kangaka. Ake sibele ku verse 7 ke le ku Exodus la sifunze khona. Kulethi inhlangothi le ngifisa ukuthi sitibuke la. Number 1 la kami ukuthi and the children of Israel were fruitful. Bantwana baka Israel, they were fruitful. In other words, they were given fruits. Babe khona bakhicida. Ngithi bathandekayo nathi njenge bazalwane because uma sikhuluma ngaAbraham, le Bible lisitshela ukuthi Abraham ngibabe wabo bonke labakholwako. So eninathi sila kulesitukulwane saAbraham ngekholwa. Enlalo kunyelo kwesibili mfisa sikunake kulowe ukuthi uNkulunkulu umkhombisa luthuli lwemhlaba Abraham. And number 2 amkhombise tinganyeti tasezulwini. Lokusho ukuthi wani luthuli lwemhlaba kutaba zitukulwane sakhe sasenyameni. Lokusho singilabantwana bakhe latawubatala ngekwenyama batawuba banengi ngangelithuli lwemhlaba. Number 2, even the spiritual children njengababe wekholwa bona batawukhanya babe banengi njengetinganyeti. Lokusho ukuthi both laba the physical noma the biological children they will be numerous and the spiritual children will be numerous. And kuthiwa lapha ke labantwana baIsrael they were fruitful. Bakhona ukuthi kube bantu labakhicitako. Bathandekayo ngithi njengemntwana waNkulunkulu you must be fruitful. Empilweni yakho uniketwe isithembiso sekweuthi awunawucinzeteleka noma ngaba khona lokwezama ukucinzetela kepha wena utawuphumelela. You must be fruitful. Sekukhumbula sibusiso lesiniketwa Rebecca banakabo kuGenesis 24. The Bible lithi bathi uma bambusisa bathi dzadze wethu bani ngimake wetinkulungwane letithi inkulungwane enisizukulwane sakho asinqobe titha letsemageyidini akho. So njengemntwana waNkulunkulu ubitelo kwekuthi ube fruitful ube ngumuntu lokhicitako bathandekayo. Akube nema fruits la kuwe. Jesu kuJohn is it John 16 verse 15 noma 15:16 one of the two. Othi Jesu aninkethanga nine kepha mina nganikhetha kube niphume nithele tithelo enaleti thelo tenu tihlale. So sibitelo njengebantwana bakaNkulunkulu kwekuthi akube nesithelo empilweni yakho. Akube nesithelo. Sithelo sithi kunekuphila kulesihlahla. Sithelo sithi labafika kulesihlahla batawuphila. Siyathi indzaba yaJesu lwafika emkhiwaneni. Umkhiwane lapho eBhayibheli lithi abegadze kuthola emakhiwane Jesu. Kepha wangathola emakhiwane ngaleso zathu wasicalekisa lesihlahla because singathelanga. So lenzaba yekuthela, lenzaba yekuba fruitful, lenzaba yekukhicita, it's a must bathandekayo. Bantwana bakaIsrael kuthiwa noma babegciladwa la, noma babehlubekiswa la, kepha they were fruitful. In other words, lofika kubo abekhona kuthola something, abekhona kuthola ifruit. Kulamalanga eCovid, one of the things let's encourage wakutasiwadle, in fact let's encourage wanayitolo, is to eat ema fruits. Because ema fruits analokunengi lokusita la emtimbeni wethu. So the Bible ke lapha lithi bantwana bakaIsrael they were fruitful. Kwakutholakala ema fruits ekuphileni kwabo. Ngithi nawe njengemzalwane, nawe njengelikholwa akube khona ema fruits latholakalako empilweni yakho. Impilo yakho ayibe fruitful. ayibe nema-fruits, ayilenge ema-fruits, bakhona abantu ukudla ema-fruits because le mpilo yakho inema-fruits. So kuthiwa-ke lapha, they were fruitful. And number 2, kuthiwa they increase abundantly. Kwecala baba fruitful, kwesibili base bayanza. Kwaba nekwanza empilweni yabo. Kwaba nekwanza ekuphileni kwabo. They increased. Bangahlali ndzawonye, bangabuyele emuva, but kwaba ne-increment empilweni yabo. Kuthule bandleni. But empilweni bathandekayo, indzaba ye-increment kulefunakalako. Indzaba yeqhubekela phambili ngiledzingakalako kwekuthi akube ne-increase empilweni. So bantwana baka-Israel kuthiwa they increase abundantly, bakhula kakhulu. Engithi bathandekayo, impilo yakho awuthi uma ubuka impilo yakho uthi impilo yami iyakhula. Ngaba impilo yami yasenyameni yetino lententako ekuphileni, ngisaphila lenkwentako, angibone akube ne-increase kuko. Akube impilo yakamoya, angibone kuba ne-increase empilweni yami yakamoya. There must be an increase. There should not be a decrease empilweni, but there must be an increase. And lapha kuthiwa they increased abundantly. Bakhubeka kakhulu. Jesu kuJohn 10:10 uthi lisela litange kubulala nekubhubhisa. Uthi kepha mina ngitekubathi babe nekuphila, babe nako kucicime. I have come that they might have life and have it abundantly. And that life must be in abundance. So ngithi ke njengemntwana waNkulunkulu ubitelwe empilweni lephuphumako. Njengemntwana waNkulunkulu impilo yakho akube impilo lephuphumako, akube impilo lecicimako, akube impilo leqhubekela phambili, akube impilo lenema-fruits. Igama lenkosi malibonga. Akatholakala ema-fruits bathandekayo. Akungabi isihlahla, akungabi liphopho lelidvuna. Siyathi sikhona emaphopho lekuthiwa amadvuna. Kwakubohle kuthiwa le emakhaya asiwathathe sishayele isipikili. Ngoba basishayela isipikili tawugucuka from lokuba lidvuna bose balisikade liconnectele. Shaya isipikili lake lagucuka. Lotho noma ushayela tipikili kude gucuka noma la sengungwini ngeke ligucuka. So bengithi ke lapha bathandekayo le live laNkulunkulu lisitshela kwekuthi labantwana baka-Israel ba-increase abundantly. Besithi ke lempilo yakho akube impilo lechubekako lengemi ndzawonye. Impilo yakho awuthi uma uyibuka ukhone kwekuthi namuhla sekuJuly. Uke ubuke ukuthi kusukela ngaJanuary kuze kube ngilo July la ngikhona khona, the past 6 months ihambe njani impilo yami? Impilo yami nje yasekuphileni, yemaplani ekuphila kwami ihambe njani kuze kube nyalo ngaJuly? And nempilo yami yakamoya ikhona increase lebe khona empilweni noma sengu-stand still. Sesaba ku-mark time. Ukuthi ku-mark time la kuhlalwa khona ukuthi seku-mark time, sekushaywa khona lapha nje akusayiwa phambili. And ke sicala ku-mark time, singaba ku-mark time sitagcina bose siya emuva because impilo ibita ukuthi ayiye phambili bathandekayo. So bantwana baka-Israel kuthiwa ke lapha they increase abundantly, and I pray for an abundance in your life. In abundance in your life, both in your physical or your material life, even your spiritual life, there must be an abundance. Amen. Number 3, kuthiwa and they multiplied. Number 1, sithe lebilo yabo yaba impilo leba fruitful. Number 2, kwaba impilo leba ne-increment.
And number 3, kuthiwa there was multiplication. Kwaba khona kwanza. They multiplied in their lives. In other words, bakhona kwekuthi lo bekunamunye namuhla kusasa sebabili. Sebayanza baba bathathu. Bayanza bayoba ngu-10. Bayanza. There must be a multiplication. Ngithi kule mpilo lesiphilako, we have to pray for a multiplication, bathandekayo. There must be multiplication in your life. Lekubonakalako ibonakala impilo kwekuthi lempilo iyaqhubeka, lempilo iyangeteka, liyanza nalelikhaya, kuyagcwala kunalelikhaya because there is a multiplication. So bantwana ke baka-Israel kuthiwa they multiplied. Bakhona kwekuthi banze, bakhona ukuthi batalane, banze. Bible lethu uNkulunkulu uma abusisa abo-Adam na Eva uthi talanani nigcwalise umhlaba. In other words, there must be a multiplication. So ngithi empilweni yethu yekukholwa, empilweni yethu yekuphila, there must be a multiplication. Le multiplication ibe yonke indzawo bathandekayo. Because uNkulunkulu is concerned about our total life. Not only our spiritual life, but even our life as people. In le multiplication, ayibe khona nasempilweni yethu sisakhona qhubeka siye phambili. Ligama lenkosi malibonke. Then the last thing kuleli verse kuthiwa and they waxed exceeding might. I like that. Baba nemandla. I like that. Number 1, Baba fruitful. Number 2, they increased. Number 3, there was multiplication. And number 4, there was might in them. Kwaba nemandla empilweni yabo. Ngithi bathandekayo, ngiloku lesibitelwe kona njengebantwana bakaNkulunkulu. Ngiloku uNkulunkulu lasimisele kona empilweni yethu. Kwekuthi asingabi ngema-weaklings nje, kepha sibe bantu bemandla. Asibe bantu labatawenda i-difference. Kuzenzo. Noma kuzenzo 17. Bible lethi kwathi uma kufika bafunzi kulenye indzawo, bathi bantu bakule ndzawo sebafikile laba labagucula umhlaba bawubhekise phansi. In other words, babetiwa kwekuthi lala kufika laba khona kune change letawendeka because bantu bemandla. So Bible ke lapha lethi kwatiwa ukuthi nalaba beta banemandla because baqhubeka njalo babanemandla. Verse 12 uthi the more babahlupha is the more baqhubeka banza empilweni. Uma sitaba fruitful, uma sitaba ne-increment, uma sitaba ne-multiplication, uma sitaba nemandla, that does not mean kutawubate i-affliction empilweni. Ake ngiphinze. Being fruitful, being increasing, being multiplying, and being mighty in strength does not mean there will be no affliction. But the good thing is, the more they were afflicted, the more they increased. Bathi balisika labelihluma. And njengemntwana waNkulunkulu lobhekana nako noma ngawentiwa noma ngawuhlangana nabo ulukhuni, but wena ubitelo ke ukuthi be fruitful in your life. Noma ngawuhlangana nasiphi isimo wena increase in your life. Jesu kuthiwa wakhula, he increased in knowledge and in the fear of the Lord. And asibe bantu labanjalo labatawuqhubeka bathandekayo ligama lenkosi malibonke. There are two things singakapheli isikhathi sethu lekufuna ukuthi sithibuke letawenda increase empilweni ligama lenkosi malibonke. Number 1, asiye kuMateyu. Mateyu 14 verse lika 17. Mateyu 14 verse lika 17. Up to verse 21 I'm going. We know the story. Nang Jesu lo landzelwa tiqu kunjalo sekushona langa. Uthi Jesu, hey, hambisani labantu, oh noma abafundi bathi akhanjiswe labantu ngoba sitawubaphani la. Jesu uthi ke ninani, bathi kude lutho ngaphandle kwemfana, lona 5 wetingwa netinhlanti letimbili. Ke uthi Jesu, lethani la kimi lokhu lokukhona. Bayamnika Jesu, wama bakunika Jesu so yakwanzisa wondla 5,000 men excluding wives and children. Or excluding women and children. Kulandzekwe ukuthi bathandekayo, uma kutaba ne-increase, let's take the little you have and give it to Jesus Christ. If you are going to have an increase in your life, take the little that you have and give it to Jesus Christ, and Jesus Christ is able to multiply it. And lapha kuthiwa lo 5,000 men, excluding women and children, they all add, and I like in my version, verse 20, lakami uthi, all of them ate as much as they wanted. That's what I like. All of them ate as much as they wanted. Bonke badla njengekufuna kwabo. Akubanga nje ukuthi asibane senetisane ngoba niyabona sikuncane, because sekuniketwe kuJesu lo wanzisako, they then ate as much as they wanted. Badla njengekufuna kwabo, batenetisa lodla bheseni, wathi akabuye bheseni ngicishe, ngoba khona labacishako la emhlabeni. Khona labakusebenzisako ukudla bangadlali ngakho. Bayakusebenzisa hot. But laba ke kuthiwa bonke badla as much as they wanted. But noma badle as much as they wanted, still there were leftovers. Kwaba ne surplus. Awu bathandekayo. And I'm saying, uma sitawubona increase empilweni yethu, let's take the little that we have and give it over to Jesus Christ. And when we give it over to Jesus Christ, He will then increase it. And the little that we have, mhlamba ke ngibekise, our tithes, okweshumi kwethu, uNkulunkulu out of lo 100% lo suke unaye, uyathi nginike 10%. And nginike 10% when usale nalo 90%. And kumalakhi athi ake ningilinge nibone ukuthi ngeke ningavula emasango elizulu. Kwekuthi nginetedise ngetulu kwecabanga kwenu. Increase bathandekayo isekutheni we give the little we have to Jesus Christ. And give the little to Jesus Christ, because ngekwenza njalo uyawukhona ukuthi uphumelele. KuLuka 5 sifunda indzaba lapha yebafundzi labe badwebile busuku bonke bangabambe inhlanti. And uyefika Jesu ekuseni, iBhayibheli lithi Jesu wakhanza kunemikhumbi leminengi, wase ufuna kungena kulomkhumbi wakaPeter. Wathi uma ngene emkhumbini wakaPeter, wathi Peter ake usuke la lusenzeni ungene kancane lapha ekujuleni. Wathi uma efika lapho wathi yehlisa emanetha akho. Wathi Peter, Jesu sishikashike ebusuku bonke sangatholi lutho, kepha ngelivi lakho sesitawajika emanetha. LeBhayibheli lithi I would like us ukuthi silifunze leli verse. Verse 5 lakami uthi Luka 5. Luka 5 verse 5. Uthi, and Simon answered and said unto him, Master, we've toiled all night and have taken nothing. Nevertheless, at thy word, I will let down the net. Verse 6. And when they had this done, they enclosed a great multitude of fish, and their net broke. Number 7. And they beckoned unto their partners, which were in the other ship, that they should come and help them. and they came and filled both ships so that they began to sink. Amen. Naku lapha bathi sishikashike ebusuku bonke sangatholi lutho. Kepha ke ngoba kulomkhumbi lo sekunawe Jesu. Nguwe lo lothi asijike lamanet, sesawajika ngelivi lakho. And bathi baba wajika kuthiwa kwangena tinhlanti letinengi. Tangena kulamanet asafuna kudzabuka emanet babita bomakhelwane babo bathi buyani silekelele nabomakhelwane beta kwagcwala yonke lemikhumbi la ikhona lapho because kuvunyelwe Jesu wangena. And I'm saying, number one, for increase to take place, Jesus must be there. When increase is to take place, hand over the little that you have to Jesus Christ. Wanikela lo lokuncane lonako wakunika Jesu kutawuba khona ingcubekela phambili utawubamba lala sewushikashike khona busuku bonke ungabambi lutho. The moment uvumela Jesu angene titawukhona tinhlanti. Hayi my daughter, tawukhona inhlanti tonke tishulungane tethi lephi linetha laka Peter. Sesifuna ke awungena kuleli netha laka Peter tingene tonke ngekucinzetelana tingene tonke aze lifune ukudzabuka linethi. Uma litawufuna ukudzabuka linethi lakho ngithi allow Jesus Christ to be in your boat. Kubhoat yakho yema finances akho, kubhoat yakho ya all the material things that you have, allow Jesus Christ to come in. The little that you think you have, hand it over to Jesus Christ. Inkinga yethu ngilokwe ukuthi sinkonkoshela kuyo yonke into lesinayo. Sayathi indzaba yalo yamake labe nembushana lencane laseyisele nemafushana lamancane. Lo wathi uma lokhu lenginako wena mprofeti sekwenele kwekuthi simane sidle nemntwana nami emva kwaloko bose siyafa. And uthi Elijah hamba wentele mina ekuqala lelicebele ngwane. In other words, qala ngaNkulunkulu. Wathi wentela mina lelicebele ngwane lamafutha nempuphu kwase kuyanza. Because uqale ngekuthi afake uNkulunkulu empilweni. Afake anike uNkulunkulu the last thing she had. Lokugcina labe nako wathi angikunikete ngentele nanga umuntu waNkulunkulu. Ngekwentela lo muntu waNkulunkulu kwazuza yena kakhulu. Bathandekayo, if we want to see increase in our lives, let's start with God. Number 2. Luke 19 verse 3. Luke 19 verse 3. Asifundele lo verse umnguni. Lakami kuthi, and he called his 10 servants, and he delivered to them 10 pounds, and said unto them, occupy till I come. Siyathi laba indzaba yematalent. Lo munye waniketwa abasihlanu, lo munye waniketwa abamabili, lo munye waniketwa abalinye. Bible lithi lo waniketwa lasihlanu. Empeleni la Jesu uthi occupy until I come. Ngala matalent wasebenziseni ngize ngibuye. Bible lithi uma sabuya, wathi uma abuya sekubitwa bonke labantu. Kuthi ababuye batawusho ukuthi bayasebenzisa njalo lamatalent. Lona abeniketwe 5 wabuya asanda angethe omnye 5 asangi 10. Labeniketwe 2 wabuya asangithe omnye 2 sangi 4. Labeniketwe linye wathatha leli linye wahamba walifihla. Wangalisebenzisi. Kanti naye kube walisebenzisa ngawabuya nayo selimultiply. Ngithi increase iyawuba khona ukuthi you must occupy until he comes. Look, shots kune responsibility nakuwe. Yekwe ukuthi akube khona lokwentako nawe. Akube khona lokusebenzisako. Noma unalo leli talent, it's not enough Make use of the talent that you have. Laba labanikwa lama talent bawasebenzisa, ngaloko wasebenzisa kwabo akhona kukhicita. Ngithi increase kuze ibe khona. Number 1, ngithi hand over the little you have to Jesus Christ. And then the remaining that you have, occupy until he comes. Akube khona lokwendako, akube khona kuzabalaza lokwendako, aze abuye ngekwenda njalo itawukhona ukuthi kube ne-increase empilweni yakho. Sesifike ekugcineni bathandekayo, nithi you are destined for increase and multiplication, no matter what happens. And in order for you to make that come to pass, hand over the little you have to Jesus Christ, and he will multiply it for you. And number 2, occupy until he comes. Don't fold your arms. Ungabi ngokhushwa ugoce etandla, akube khona kukhushuta lokwendako, akube khona kulima lokwendako, akube khona kuthengisa lokwendako, akube khona kwenda lokwa nalokwa longakwenda kuze kuthi kube ne-increase empilweni yakho. Ungagoce etandla ugadze imana, nemana ayisingehla kufuna bahambe bayibuthe abantwana baka-Israyeli. Kwalabantu abahlala bagace etandla bakhamisile bagadze ungathi imana ngayiwela emlonyeni. Iyawela phansi man. Kufuna kube nguwelo sukumako uhambe uyithathe ubuye uyipheke ekhaya. And then you'll have an increase in your life. And I'm saying, in your Christian life, let there be increase. In your life in general, let there be increase. And that's what you are destined for. You must know that. No matter what happens, no matter the afflictions that you will meet along the way, but you are destined for increase. Bantwana baka-Israyeli, siyathi ukuthi kwathiwa noma sekuthiwa kubulawe bantwana, laba bomake baka-Israyeli batholakala banemandla, bakhona ukuthi belekisa, bangakefiki nebabelekisi because babe nemandla, because uNkulunkulu abe kanye nabo. Ngithi-ke sesifike ekugcineni bathandekayo, uNkulunkulu akaside sonke sibuke impilo yethu, buka impilo yakho kwekuthi luthuli lwemhlaba, that is kinto lengitendako la ekuphileni kukhona yini increase kuthi. Uma ubuka ezulwini, ubuka your spiritual life, is there a multiplication in my spiritual life as a child of God? Babongcwele babothandekayo, siyakubonga Nkosi nalamuhla ngelivi lakho leliphilile, livi lakho Nkosi lelinemandla. Siyathandaza Nkosi kwekuthi alesiside sisalenda lona, alesiside Nkosi sisahambisana nalo, kube khona Nkosi kuchubekela phambili ekuphileni kwethu, kube khona tithelo umhlaba leyo khona kutibona utidle uphile ngoba sinetithelo nekuthi siyachubeka empilweni. Thanazela inqubekela phambili Nkosi yebantwana bakho ngamunye nangamunye, noma bahlangana nebulukhuni buni baba wethu lwengcwele, letha inqubekela phambili, letha Nkosi impumelelo egameni lika Jesu Kristu. Amen.